Pass out. Pass out. Meaning, to faint, become unconscious. Example, she hit her head on the tree and passed out. Pull over. Pull over. Meaning, to move one's vehicle to the side of the road and stop. Example, the woman yelled at the driver, "Pull over." Could you pull over? I need to use a washroom. Leave out. Leave out. Meaning, to exclude, miss out, or omit. Example, the message was nice, but they left out the letter A. Fill up with. Fill up with. Meaning, to fill, to make full. Example, please fill up the glass with milk. I filled up the basket with fruits. Back up. Back up. Meaning, to move backward, to drive a vehicle backward. Example, it was hard to back up in such a narrow driveway. Dispose of. Dispose of. Meaning, to get rid of, throw out. Example, Bill disposed of the old bottles. Please dispose of these leftovers. Turn over. Turn over. Meaning, to rotate, so that the side that was on the bottom is now on top. Example, she turned over to get some sun on her back. Blackout. Blackout. Meaning, to lose conscious. He drank so much alcohol that he blacked out. Sack out. Sack out. Meaning, to go to bed, to sleep. Example, I'm tired, so I'll sack out early tonight. Divvy up. Divvy up. Meaning, to divide and distribute something. Example, the kids will divvy up the candy. Hand in. Hand in. Meaning, to give in, submit. After 60 minutes, the students had to hand in their tests. Please hand in the report by Friday. Tell off. Tell off. To criticize someone angrily for doing something wrong. Our boss always tells us off for getting to the office late. Build up. Build up. To work at something and make it stronger or bigger. He is going to the gym to build up his muscles. Scoot over. Scoot over. Meaning, used to tell someone to move a bit. Example, please scoot over a little, so I can sit down. Get a hold of. Get a hold of. To communicate with someone by phone. I'm trying to get a hold of my colleagues for our meeting. Clutter up. Clutter up. To include too many details. The map will be hard to read if you clutter it up with all these red lines. Pick up. Pick up. Meaning, to collect, to lift something from the ground. Example, I picked up the clothes that were lying on the floor. Crack up. Crack up. To laugh suddenly and a lot. He told the funniest story and I cracked up.